manually adding the same contacts into different contact lists inside Pabbly Chatflow? Then I have got a smarter way for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can add or move contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow from one list to another without any manual effort. So here on my screen, you can see a dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, which is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So here you can see I have already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here if you're a new user and you wish to learn how you can connect a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, or if you want to learn about some amazing features offered by Pabbly Chatflow, then you can watch out the tutorials available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so here you can see I have already set up an account inside Pabbly Chatflow, and here we are going to talk about the contact section available over here on the left side bar. So here under my contact section, you can see in the left side, I have some existing contact list. Here you can see first one is all, the another one is unassigned, then the test and new list. So here I have a new list with the 10 contacts inside that particular list. Now I want to transfer some of these contacts into new list which is named as test over here. So for that, I'm not going to transfer these contacts manually inside the new list. What I'm going to do is simply I'm going to select that top 4-5 contacts that I want to transfer, and then here after selecting those contacts, you can see an option that we have received with the name move to list. So we're going to select this option, and here it is asking us for the destination list. In this particular category, you need to select the list to where you want to transfer these contacts. So I have another list with the name test, so I'm going to select that list, and then we're going to click on this move button, and you can see successfully we have transferred the 5 contacts from the new list to test list within seconds and very smoothly without any manual effort. So this was the one way where you can transfer these simple contacts from one list to another contacts. Now let's suppose that I have some contacts in this particular list with her tag, and now I only want to transfer those contacts who have that particular specific tag to a new contact list. In that case, we are going to create a new list. But before that, let me show you the tag that I already have under this tag section from settings. So here you can see under tags, I have a tag with the name new. So we are going to transfer those contacts who have this tag new attached to their contacts. Alright, let's move towards the contact section. Here we are going to create a new contact list, and here I'm going to give a name as dummy. Moving forward, and for the opted status, I'm going to select opt-in, incoming status as allowed, and then comes the condition section. So now here I'm going to add the condition to create this specific contact list based on the tag. For that, we're going to click on this add condition button. For the condition type, I'm going to select tag. You can also add these conditions on a specific custom field. I'm going to select tag over here, and then I'm going to select the tag for which I want to create a new contact list. Then for the match, I'm going to select is assigned, and then here we have two options. First is match all and another one is match any. So here in case of multiple conditions, you can select this option either as match all for the and conditions and match any for or conditions. And in my case, I have a single condition, so I've selected match all, and then we're going to click on this add button. You can see we have successfully created a new contact list with the name, and here we have 4 contacts. So basically only 4 contacts had that particular tag from this new list, and those contacts are successfully transferred into my new list with the name dummy. And here you can see these 4 contacts. If I open the contact details, you can see the tag attached over here as new. So this is how you can move or add contacts based on different tags conditions as well in just few clicks. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how you can add or move the same contacts into different contact lists inside Pabbly Chatflow. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now here, if you're a new user and you're still planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. Just type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.